challenge probably was basically those wells where the existing wellhead control panel is not a PLC based system. So as I mentioned, that in those systems we are going to have new PLC based system during the course of the project. And once this project will basically get into construction phase, we are assuming that those panels to be there. So so that is why we are not considering it as an additional concern as such for the other wells also.
Okay, good, fair enough. So interfaces, so yes, maybe interfaces will be there, but we do not have major concern, right? We don't have major concern because you are going to have work on individual wells. Probably when you are going to do the installation of the correlage meter, some other party will come and work nearby, but that will be handled by the permit work system. WMS system. Okay. So guys, with this, I mean, we have seen all the guide words, and let me know if you have any other high level construction issue, so that we can address it. We can address it. My proposal is, what is your lunch break time? We'll come after the lunch break, then we can go for the constructability, SIMOPS.
Chairman, any recommendations or any HSC points you want to discuss?
Yeah. Recommendations. We have these recommendations. That what was taken during the workshop. Only this is the new recommendations because ensure the venting, venting and purging provision for the line downstream of the SDV.
Okay.
To obtain the positive isolation. Okay, so this is the new, recommendation. Other than that, this is similar to the, and this is also new, waste management plan to be implemented to handle and dispose of the demolished material as per the waste management plan and through approved vendor.
Okay.
And other than that, the same thing, and as per previous one. Ensure the protect, this is the same one. Yeah. Okay, so Rakesh, what is your opinion?
Chairman, how much time CMOS will take?
It will take 30 minutes, Gada.
Then khalas, we can finish now.
That's what
I think better. Let's continue.
Continue and complete.